Back in the vehicle. I already know where I'm headed to because I'm headed there. I'm not on my way back home yet. Slow motion. Very irritable. I don't know what the hell just spilled on my pants from me walking downstairs to get in my car, but it literally, something dripped on my door and dripped on my pants, and I don't know what it was. Like, my mood is like, I'm so irritated right now. I definitely need to go work out and release some endorphins and just sit in that sauna. And I'm not even gonna go hard today because I have no energy. I don't think while I'm doing this master cleanse I'm going hard. I think I'm gonna do like 20 to 30 minutes. See how I feel tomorrow. I did not drink any of my lemonade mix yesterday. I had 2 cups of tea and water all the rest of the day. I was starting to feel like really, you know how when little kids get sleepy? Being goofy and laughing, and yeah, that was me last night. But I didn't even go to bed until 3 this morning. No, it was like 3:30. So yeah, I'm headed to the gym. It has been 12 days since I have been to the gym in my car. Because I was about to say to the gym, but I did go once last week. Hopefully I don't faint in this Mickey Ficky. I was about to lose my mind because I lost my daggone lemonade. I'm sick of hearing about Travis Scott. I don't want to hear no more about Travis Scott. We know what's up. The ones that don't, oh well. Be lost. But so y'all know lately I've been on a sporadic reality TV binge. But can we talk about Joseline's cabaret in Atlanta? Baby. Can I just say, Miss Natural, I love you. She's from Indiana. She's from Gary. I'm not in Gary. I'm in Indianapolis. I've been to Gary. I'm sure she's been through my city too. So what's up, Miss Natural? I feel like she represented us. She represented us decent because I'm like on a certain level mentally, so I can like see things differently than I did like 2 years ago. How about that? And for damn sure 10 years ago, you know what I'm saying, 8, because I wasn't 30 before then. But yeah, Miss Natural wasn't doing nothing weird to me. Like, she was a G. She kept it real on there. I'm wondering if she's like, bitch, where's your flaw? Because you're, to me, she was real as fuck. Like, and vulnerable. She laid all that shit out. I mean, enough. We don't need to know her motherfucking interpersonal secrets, but she put enough out there. Now, since we're talking about Miss Natural, we might as well bring up little Miss Yummy. We done got little miniature Judy to the 10th power, honey. Oh, yeah. I don't think she is weird. I think that girl has been traumatized and she is ready for whatever, and she's in this fucking little ass body looking like a little ass girl, and she's a whole beast in there. You know what I'm saying? I don't think she can probably jump on everybody and whoop them down like she did on that show, because there was security and all that stuff. The fights, she wouldn't have, come on now. But I mean, I can respect her, gangster, but at the same time, girl, I mean, she got her moment. She got her moment. She is little, you know, you got to take advantages of the advantages that you get. Okay? So I'm not even about to say nothing about that. Now, as far as how she was moving in the house, yeah, I started seeing that little shadiness. Like, as soon as she called out Miss Natural in front of Jocelyn, saying she kept talking over her, I felt like that was, they told her to do that shit. Production did. Because if you watched, for those of you that watched, Lucky, like they said, Lucky, when they were all practicing right after she got her promotion to bottom bitch. I've never understood that term. Can somebody help me out? Because that doesn't sound like a compliment to me. Bottom bitch. If anything, that sounds like two men having, you know what, and one is on the bottom, and that's what his nickname is. But anyway, she was talking over her. They was all counting. They was rehearsing. Girl, if you felt a certain type of way, why didn't you say nothing? So that's what threw me off about Miss Yummy, and then how she tried to play this little innocent role, you know. But then when she got mad, nigga, see me. You know what I'm saying? Like, when Miss Natural jumped in your face like that on that couch, the only person that's got that close in my face like that I can recall ever in life outside of my baby daddies is my mama. Yeah, I think that's about it. Like, what? So Yummy, her personality, not who she is, like I said, she's a traumatized person, but the way she was moving in that house, I'ma say, I didn't like it. I didn't like her as far as that aspect. Now, the gangster in her, I mean, you're a little motherfucker. Like I said, I can respect that. You know what I'm saying? You get underestimated. You gotta get your pops in. Shit. If she squared up with her, she knows she wasn't gonna win. So she probably wouldn't have got a hit in. She would have been looking like Barbie and Lucky. So I just want to say, with them two, because we going down the list, y'all. With Barbie and Lucky, how about, I think they smashed. I think they smashed before. This is my opinion. I think they smashed, and that's why they was acting like that. And whatever happened with Lucky, like she said, I guess she was going on a date, but somebody was supposed to go with her. She felt uncomfortable because they was drunk and she had no security. Clearly she was meeting up with a stranger. I mean, I'm not in that line of work, but if hypothetically speaking, you know, if that was the situation I was in, I would have left too, because I'm not about to be out here naked. Y'all be seeing what be happening to these women on these crime scene investigation, the real shows, the ones that are covering real stories. I mean, they're telling us what they want us to know or think, but that shit happened, you know, somehow, some way, leading up to they found the body this way. So put it together however you want, but motherfuckers been dismembered, decapitated, burned, fucking torture, all types of shit, going on dates and shit. So yeah, but the whole May thing, that shit was funny. But Lucky is young. She's like 22-ish or some shit. So she's super young. Barbie looks like she's my age. I don't understand. And they said Boss Tech was the oldest one, and we'll talk about her too. But I just got to the gym. I just got rid of all the water bottles in my back, or my damn, in my gym bag. And now I just put like 4 more in there. I need some memory pill. I need to start meditating, y'all. That's a whole nother conversation we're gonna have to have. I definitely gotta start meditating now. Alright, so we at the car wash. So we were doing ratchet reality TV talk, basically. And I was talking about Lucky and Barbie. So I like Lucky. I like her and Sapphire. Sapphire, hold on, bookmark. Barbie, her face looks like it dropped, and I'm so sorry, but it looks like the way she had her face down her chin, like, I don't know. In the video with Jocelyn, she looks sexy. I mean, she looks cute, but she's just not. If I was a dude, I don't know if I would give her none of my money. That's how it's like fucked up. But anyway, she definitely got her ass whooped 2 or 3 times, I want to say. And she just wanted to get her look back. I guess I can see that, but girl, you be ready to fight. I don't know why we're fighting. Like, wait, because you're disrespectful. You just think that you can sit there and talk about people like that and then not send out a vibration that might enter a motherfucker, that might spark something to make them want to beat your motherfucking ass. And damn near on reality TV shows, you can damn near do whatever the fuck you want when it comes to fighting, at least. That's what I feel like. If I was on a reality show, I don't know how long I'd last, because unless it was money involved, as long as you are a presence on that motherfucker for a good week or 2, get you a following up, I wouldn't be in no house just getting talked to no type of way. Shit. I'd fuck around and be like, Hazel, baby daddy. If y'all know what I'm saying, if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't worry about it. But, okay, so I got a car wash. I think that something dripped. I know what dripped, but I don't know why it was wet. Anyway, it dripped. It got on my door, and that's what got on my freaking pants. Lennon done sent me a daggone list. But can we talk about this skincare? Like, my pores. What pores? Yeah. But y'all, that wig, so I co-washed the wig. I took it off last night. I co-washed it. And oh my gosh. It is so soft and everything still. And it's not frizzy. I didn't even put nothing in it. I co-washed it and I rinsed all the conditioner out and just let it dry. Of course, I wrapped it up in like a towel. And then this morning I put it on the mannequin head and combed it out. And it's not completely dry, but it's super freaking soft. And I was kind of scared because when I was rinsing it out, I just totally derailed from my topic. Oh well, I'll get back to it if I remember. It ain't nothing but ratchet reality. If it pops back up in my mind, we'll talk about it. But and see, just like that, I done lost my thought. No, what was I talking about? I can't even stop the thing and rewind it and see what I was talking about. Get this out of. Oh no! Yes, I can. Get out of there. I did not know there was a smoke zone. They closed the pizza place. Oh no, they didn't close that pizza place. Dang, that was my spot. Oh, that sucks. COVID. Dang. So yeah, while my brain is surfing, I do have something else I can talk about. How I'm feeling after my workout with this masterclass. So I am feeling pretty good after my workouts. I feel like I needed to do the workouts. I feel like the workouts was needed. I just feel like I needed that workout to wake up my body. Like I said, I probably needed to release some endorphins because I felt weak. The first 13, 14 minutes, I was ready to get off. But your girl went 30 minutes and I could have went to my little 40, 45. But I don't want to overdo it while I'm on this because I don't want to wake up tomorrow and not be able to move. I have to crawl out the bed. I definitely don't even know if I'll be able to make it to the gym if I have zero energy because I didn't eat and whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna make my lemonade concoction when I get home, because I need to drink some of that. And you know, now that I think about it, it's still good. Like, I had green tea yesterday. I did a detox tea yesterday that I spilled. I had to make it twice. Ooh, I was so mad. So yeah, I think I already shared my teas that I drank. If not, I can share it in another video. I had them ordered and they were dropped off in my Instacarts a month and a half, 2 months ago. 4 different teas. And to the BBL, my surgery sisters, there is tea for post-op cow. I think it's by Triple Leaf Tea. It's like, I want to say it's for PMS and something else, but it's basically for after surgery. There's like 2 of them. Ordering that tea when it's around that time again, which is another video y'all can look out for. But first, it's gonna be a video story time review on my whole BBL experience, from the babysitter to the experience to the recovery house to the crazy dude, the UFC dude I met, or the MMA fighter I met, to my recovery. And I am 7 months post-op. And I've been in the gym for 2 months, basically working for my body to get back to the way it was before I had surgery. Because after, I mean, like I said, y'all, like, I look the same. My body, there was no noticeable difference, besides it looked like my butt was a little bigger. Like, somebody would have been like, damn, that baby filled your booty out. It wasn't like, damn, your ass got fat, girl. Or damn, did you get your body done? It wasn't nothing like that. I don't care what nobody thinks. I want my body reshaped. I want the lower half reshaped in a pleasant, desirable way. Like, my bottom, it's not hard to work with because it's already given something. So I just wanted a little more hippie curve and bubble. Lift, bubble, projection, curvy hip. Some laterals mixed up in there. Wasn't hard. Now I guess he's doing skinny BBLs. Anyway, that's a conversation for that video. Stay tuned. Is that a dog in that car? So I gotta run in here and get Landon's stuff. I'm not vlogging in Walmart. I think when I vlog in the store, it's going to be a good store, since I'm out of Indianapolis and I don't want to be in raggedy ass Walmart fucking vlogging. I can wait until I go to one of our nice stores, because Publix is the bomb. We need one of those here. We used to have a store called Marsh, and Marsh has been gone for, I want to say, damn near a decade. Damn near as long as Joseline Hernandez has been around. But and just like that, what the fuck was I talking about? Grocery stores. Okay, yeah. Anyway, we just need a nice grocery store here. We have 2. One more. Third one's a charm. One more. Ain't no motherfucking spot. I don't understand why they would make that big ass space right there, like where the handicap is, and it's a bunch of blue lines, but it's like 2 car spaces of blue lines. That's a whole handicap spot. And y'all still would have had a space. Like, why would y'all, who designed this parking lot was a freaking imbecile. This man is outside of Walmart. He is high as hell on something. It's raining outside. He's outside yelling at everybody that walks out. Yeah, I know you looking at me. Like, shut up and go in. A big gush. But it ain't just be a gush. It's gonna be like confetti. Pop, 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 pop. Psh, 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 psh. Drive by. I knew it. He was trying to gangbang all night. I told y'all. Yeah, so to end off this ride with me. So you wanna ride with me? Ride with me, do you know you wanna ride with me? Yeah, so I guess I'll holler at a player later from the Himalayas.